Nice.
Helping Jeffrey get 2800.
Exactly.
Oh, probably should switch part. Oh, it's actually we found Gianna at a good time. Only a couple of points overrated today.
Full trades, I'm
Wow.
in trouble.
Stuff is pretty good here. I'll just go here.
But if I only give him dice,
He's in big trouble. I hope. Do I cash out? Take the queen? I don't see anything better.
Forgot my queen was hanging.
it's fine.
It's fine.
Maybe hold queen.
Fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
A knight is good for me, but it's okay if
He,
not.
he has a queen, but he doesn't know how to use it.
Knight is good for me, yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
That, yeah, okay. I like it. What is your next move? Maybe king g2?
Depends a bit on what he does.
Yes.
I'm just defending here. Is it knight mate?
I don't know. I want to go knight f4, knight c4. Unless you see something better.
That's fine. I will, but I will.
I can play rook takes g2 and then knight f4 and then knight takes g2. That looks a bit sketchy though.
I like that.
So, any suggestions?
2 sec.
Oh,
Ja?
no suggestions.
Du kan åpne.
You have nothing, yeah.
Hva sa du?
Yeah, I don't have tricks.
Ja.
You probably have to take on f4, I guess.
But that just gives the knight.
Yeah.
I guess it might just be the best chance.
I gave it,
Nå er det
sorry.
15 min. Eller er det for lenge? Ja.
Yeah, my bad. I froze up there.
Okay, sorry. I'm back.
Okay, nice. Good scramble. A trade, maybe? Sacked a little. Queens come. Care. Maybe hold pawn for 1 second?
Some pawn? Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
It's not easy. Interesting.
That's
You can go now.
Oh god.
shit.
Just a free knight.
Maybe no queen. I said maybe no queen, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. No more queens.
Yep.
What can I get?
Nothing really.
Oh,
No rook,
okay.
no rook, no queen. Is that free bishop? He can take rook. Care.
I maybe made it.
He has to sack his queen.
I also have to sack my queen. What a coincidence.
Well, maybe he doesn't have to sack his queen. Just hold rook, and I win. I hope. I might be wrong. You can sit now.
Rook is pretty good here.
Yeah, it's forced.
Is it?
Yep.
But watch out for the draw.
Where?
Yeah, he watched out.
Yeah.
Knight plus pawn is also mate. Aha, you didn't take it. Smart.
Oh.
That's why I had to hold the rook.
I didn't even see it was legal to take. I thought my rook was pinned.
Oh, I see.
Still a good move though. Okay.
I'm such a good partner.
Yes. Very nice.
Very nice.
He's
Ah, so that was the idea.
I
Yeah,
sacked
he
on
sacked
F2.
all his miners. He has some
Oh.
initiative here.
Um, I'm going to circle the miners back. Or
Okay.
plunder them any way you want to see it.
It's not that good.
Oh, this is Anna versus Larso, isn't it? Just realized that.
I go. Keep. No queen.
I give Rook.
Okay.
Oh shit! Maybe hold the knight.
Okay. I have them all in my
He has
pocket.
4 knights all in hand.
Okay, okay.
Oh, my position's not too good here. I should have done something else, not sure what.
Okay. I don't know what to do either.
Giving knight now.
Okay.
He did not take it. My position is kind of garbage.
Yeah.
I'm dead. Sorry.
Probably shouldn't have given that queen. I have no idea what to do. This
I sacked on
did
F7.
not. Okay.
Trades are
Give
good.
too much.
Couple pawns, maybe. If not, it's fine.
It is kind of hard.
No problem.
Strange decision time.
That's it.
Feet. Can I get feet? Oh shit, what do I do here? I just sack everything, I guess. That was gutsy.
Pawn or no? Oh, geez, I didn't expect that.
I like that move.
Pawn good. Actually, it was not even that good. Or maybe I'm a genius, I'm not sure. Okay, here.
Oh, God.
I'm
Sick.
cooking.
It's not my move.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Oh, don't go in too hard. Oh, I've made.
Did a really bad move.
Good
Are we
feed, good
giving
feed.
knight?
I've made one without giving anything.
Okay. I was completely dead there.
Wow, what happened?
Queens are coming. Watch out.
That's good. Yeah.
Oh
Wait,
shit.
are they really coming?
But it is protected. How does that
Okay,
work?
no knight, no knight.
Oh, I was just gonna take back, but
Ooh.
he had queen h4, so it wasn't really that good.
I did not see. My bad.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, I got
You
bluffed.
just have to hold knight. Yeah,
That
he's not
is
getting a knight.
that is pretty good. We're up, we're up.
Yeah. I don't think I'm
Queen
getting
b5, yes.
Wait, I was sure I had a queen to play queen before,
Ah,
but I already used it.
I was a bit afraid he would do something like pawn b2, so I didn't want to pre-move.
Now we are up 0 point.
oh shit. Okay, maybe I don't do that then.
Is it really necessary? Because we have good positions, right?
Yeah, but it
At
might
least
take off
half
some
of us.
time.
At least half of us.
Half of us have good positions here. Well, who of us have good positions? So do we both have half good positions?
Me and you, and they have bad positions.
Okay, okay.
I thought the half was me
No,
and Jeffrey. Or maybe me and Larso. We both have good positions.
No, it was chewy and me bad, but
Actually,
I don't like that because I don't see the point.
I really like it. I'm
Oh.
doing it.
Oh, I forgot I was supposed to give you knight.
Well, he's checking me,
Oh,
but he's
yeah.
bamboozled, I think. Just keep going. Sit. Okay, you can go. I
Oh
made.
shoot.
That was.
I did something wrong. I gave a queen.
No problem. Oh, he defended pretty well here.
Oh shit! I'm about to mate myself.
Are you?
He's
Oh.
losing one of his pieces.
My
and
bad.
the
Yeah.
knight
Sorry.
Sorry. I gave a lot.
I didn't say it would be that hard for me. I should have said something.
I am doing some
Sack
sack city.
sitter.
Okay.
I'm also sack sitting.
Okay.
Don't give him anything.
No heavy.
Yeah, feed me if you can. And keep moving. Yeah, stuff is really good. 2 knights if possible.
Don't give him a knight.
Let's
Yeah.
see how to get that.
Okay, no problem. Can you make queen mate? If not,
I
that's
don't
also
know.
okay. Okay, no problem. I can just go.
Oh.
I really like your position.
Oh, I'm offering queens.
Okay.
Offering queens. Do you have mate with like bishop? No, never mind. It's hard for him to hold.
Oh, I see it. Don't have mate with anything, or except queen. But that has to be this move.
You can go. You can go.
Okay, you're holding rook.
Yes. Shit, we're down. It's okay.
I'm blundered mate. I don't know. Let's get. I got a bit stressed there.
You want to sit?
Or I can take on h2 maybe.
Oh no, please don't. Oh, he did it. Uh-oh.
Oh, you have
Okay.
mate in 2, right?
I don't. Ah yes, free pawn.
Shit.
Oh, Christ.
I sacked on f7 again. Can you take f5?
too.
Or
Love,
can you take
love,
c3?
love.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
It should be fine for me.
Okay, go. Look, he learned from you. He's bullying my queen.
It seems to be a you problem.
Yes. I'm getting
Do I get
bullied.
pawns?
Maybe.
Do you see a good move for me?
I'm busy moving my queen around.
Strong.
I have an idea.
This move.
No, it was this move.
Okay, I'm just gonna make a stupid move.
I like mine better.
Okay, and
Queen 6 queen.
oh, it is trapped. Good point.
Queen, okay.
Maybe.
Looks
Maybe it's
like-
time for your move now? No.
Not quite
Yes.
now. Actually, wait, I'm gonna do maybe this move first.
Why?
So he can't take my knight.
I don't think you will. Or maybe now that you mention it, but
I'm gonna do it.
Oh, you can go.
Give me the queen. Oh. I should be wrapping up here.
Okay.
Oh my. Wait, he's too good though.
Yeah, just keep going. Give him whatever you want.
Here's a queen.
Uh,
Hopefully.
shoot.
Okay.
I'm probably dead.
I may have it here. I've made one.
Yeah. Dead.
I had made one before, too. But now I extra have it.
I can trust me here, but I'll rather sit.
Yeah.
I think last two for me.
Okay.
Okay.
No lots of rooks.
Okay, but one
It's
comes.
okay.
At night or no?
Okay.
Oh,
Oh.
I could have taken him, but
That's okay.
Just hold up here, please. You can give it now. Fuck.
Rook might be good for me.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, wait,
whoa,
wait, wait,
watch
wait.
out, watch
Here,
out.
here, here.
oh, I didn't
Oh.
see your quick to take, and I thought. Okay, my bad.
It's okay.
I'm playing ellipsal style. Wait, okay. Oh shit. I didn't mean to castle. I meant to play king f1. Okay, I should be okay now. He might sack.
That's good here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, never mind. I play safer a little bit here. No queen. Oh shit.
It's low.
Okay. I'm gonna give like knight plus pawn.
Okay.
He might try and force queens off. No, he's not.
Okay.
I can
Oh,
take you
down.
queen, I guess. Yeah, I was playing slow. Sorry. Watching your position.
Watch out.
That was
Okay,
bad
sorry.
timing. Sorry,
Actually,
didn't
that's
think. I didn't expect that. Yeah.
Okay, last one. Oh.
Oh, I slipped as well. I'm just sacking house.
Okay.
No knight, no knight, no
I
knight for
will-
1 second. Just hold on.
Shoot, okay. I guess I sit.
You can give it. I mean, it's no big deal. It's pretty annoying though.
What do
Oh,
we take a night at
we
the
both
G1?
lost everything. Shit.
Maybe.
Or is there something that's. No, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Holy
Sit, partner, sit.
Uh,
Or
jag
if
är
you.
klar om 1 minut.
Oh, fuck, that was a bad call. Sorry. I guess you have to do this move. Wait, that actually looks like quite a good move. Oh, no,
Okay, what do you think
it
about
doesn't.
this one?
Oh, that one looks better. For some reason, I only saw this one. Okay.
Yeah,
but
no, no.
he has
like,
this move too, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this move is also a problem. I should have just taken on e7, but I was gonna be dead either way to
But
the rook.
what was wrong with your move?
Nothing. He can just do this. What? That
You
was
take
not
the
main.
rook.
That's not main one. Oh, okay.
I
Oh,
I thought there was some mating one I was falling for.
okay. No, no. Good try. Good try.
Oh,
Good
I
try.
just forgot.
No, I
At
didn't.
least. So, it's my bad. I don't know what I thought there.
Oh, no, it's
I
fine.
didn't
At least.
expect the move alone, so I thought there was a trick.
Yeah,
GG's.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It looked. Alright, GG's.